Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Katie and I'm 29 years old, living in Copenhagen region with my husband and cat. In this short video, I show you the before of our home. Now that we are planning a new layout of our home. We still need to make a small renovation. We have already put in a new kitchen and painted the walls white in all rooms. And the bathroom is all done with new paint, sink, toilet and shower. So we will focus on the bedroom and the living room. The bedroom needs to be a multifunctional space. We want to transform it into a nursery, bedroom and office. We are going to change up the layout to make it more functional. Do some painting, add new curtains and decorate. We like to have space and an airy feeling along with warmth and coziness, or hygge as we would say in Danish. Despite living in Copenhagen, this bathroom is bigger than our last. I know it's still very small. Over the next 2 months of videos, you will get to see the results of our home renovations. We have a small home. It's a pretty normal size for an apartment in Denmark's capital region. It may not be ideal for everyone expecting a baby, but we'll make the most of it. We already emptied the apartment of all our stuff except the furniture, because we just arrived home from living in Thailand. And here's some pictures, how it looked from when we first rented the apartment without renovation, and the during, while we were renovating, and also the after with our furniture and stuff before we moved to Thailand. So just saw the bathroom and now you see the kitchen. We rented out the apartment in Denmark furnished while we were away. That is why it's so empty in my video. And next up is the living room and bedroom. Now we are back and ready for a change again. We used the free version of Room Sketcher and it worked fine. This is not sponsored by Room Sketcher, but we just really like the app. It's very user-friendly. We sketched the floor plan and this is the new layout we created while in Thailand. We split the living room into 2 zones. One as a lounge area with couches and a bar table. And the other as a dining room, as you can see here. In our bedroom, the furniture placement has been optimized to maximize functionality and airflow, accommodating its use as a nursery, bedroom and office. Here you can see my husband. He's moving the furniture because we are downsizing closet space. For me, smart living means living in a practical yet aesthetic home with furniture that has multiple uses. So follow along if you want inspiration for smart living, renovating, decorating, and a whole lot of decluttering and organizing. And this mirror closet we'll get rid of. Remember to subscribe and like, and see you in the next video.